everybody, welcome to Tallulah Falls, Georgia. Yes, we're gonna be on an adventure where all this water you see behind me is rushing down this river. It's gonna be amazing, it's gonna be exciting. Hope y'all enjoy it. Welcome to Tallulah Falls, the home of the Tallulah Gorge. Yeah. What do you see down there, buddy?
A bunch of like pine leaves.
Yeah, this is a beautiful lake up here. You're not allowed to put any boats in it that have gasoline. Beautiful. All right, let's go walk on the trail. All right, here we go. We're looking at Tallulah Lake right here, and here's the dam. All right, below it's the gorge. Today they have one of the locks open. Now, here's a cool story. So Helene just came through here, y'all, and in order to keep water flowing, they opened all these gates. I wish we had video of that. That would have been amazing. But that one gate being open is going to show you some spectacular views down there. That's where we're going, down in the deepest gorge east of the Mississippi River. Welcome to the Tallulah Gorge. What do you think, JT? This is amazing, isn't it? Let's go get it. All right, we're a little bit closer. Right now, we're at the first overlook as we're walking down the trail. Right about there is the second one. We're gonna make our way there. You just hear it roar. What do you think about that sound, JT?
It's cool.
That is very cool. Let's go. All right, so this trail, this place is beautiful and amazing. But if you're not prepared, you can get in trouble. So we've got two rescuers right here looking for somebody that's supposed to be in this trail. Hope they find them. Hope they help them out. It's gonna be good. All right, here's our next overlook. So many people here today. It's amazing. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Really good look. The water coming down. What do you think, JT? Can you just imagine that whole thing just covered by water? That's the way it was just a month or so ago. All right, so walking on this trail, you hear the roar of the river behind you, but it's just so scenic inside of all this rhododendron and mountain laurel. It's beautiful. All right, heading to some of our favorite overlooks. It's gonna be nice. JT, you having fun?
Yes, I am.
Nice. All right, overlook 3, here we go. Really close, you can see the river actually goes through a big hole right there. So here's the main river and then a giant hole punching through each side. So that big huge waterfall. And then another overlook right over here we're gonna go to. Another overlook right over there. For the area. All right, let's keep going. We started this show way over there. We made our way around. This is the main overlook I like to take about before you head down the steps. You excited about the steps, JT?
Yes.
Yes, it's gonna be awesome. Let's go see Hurricane Falls. Yeah. Before we head down the steps, that's when you see this main waterfall right here, and then there's another one right there you don't get a good look at once you're going down the steps. Pretty awesome. All right, let's start heading down. All right, so here we go. To get to the bottom, it's that many steps. To get to the bridge, as far as you can go today, it's that many steps. It's not too bad, but you're gonna see a lot of people. They're suffering on this thing. It's quite steep, but fun. Let's go. All right, so I've just started. See if I can give you a good idea of how steep it is coming down. Cameras just don't give it a look, but anyways, let's get down to the bridge. Let's go. Easy does it, right? So here's a bridge right down there. We're almost already down there. Let's go. So I just want to pause for a minute. You can still tell that fall is in the air. It is beautiful. Winter is coming and fall is peaking. Right. Here we go. Hey y'all. Let's do it. Wow, it's pretty out here. The leaves are making these, like the sun is making the leaves really pop. I'm going to go below it first, kind of give you an idea what it's like down here, and then we'll get up on it. All right, what we're looking at, that is Hurricane Falls right there, and it's just so amazing and big. This is to go all the way to the bottom and show it to you. It's awesome. All right, here's a good look from underneath the bridge, and you can tell it is rocking and rolling. Haha. People are having fun up there. And there's Hurricane Falls. Maybe see some of it actually bouncing off the wall. But that's as far down as we're going to be able to go is right here. All right, let's go. Bridge. Get a look at it. Listen to that roar. With one gate open. Now imagine if they had the rest of the gates open. All right, this is with one gate open. If they had them all open, all these rocks would be covered right now, and that wall would be being hammered. Woohoo! You liking it, man? All right, so this is one of the reasons people come down here. Is they come and they bring their kayak down here. They go float the rest of the river, and it's flat out amazing. They have one of the top 10 rivers or rapids in the world right down there, called Oceana. Check it out. Pretty amazing. You look nervous, Beth. Are you nervous for it?
I'm just thinking it's such torture to climb all the way down those stairs.
I tell you, when I was young and not as smart, I used to come down here all the time. That's right. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Let's go. All right, y'all, thanks for watching. I'm about to end this. My camera is not cooperating. I need a new GoPro. Help me out. I need a new one of these. So we're about to head out of here. Show y'all. There it is right there. 600 steps. Not bad, but it is steep. And anyways, thanks for watching. We may go hit a couple more of the overlooks way up there and maybe able to see some kayakers down at the bottom. But man, this is pretty. Thanks for coming down here with us. I got to add this to the video. So one of the things that Tallulah Gorge is known for is the Walinda family. And they, yeah, there's the cable. They use this tower and a tower on the opposite side of this gorgeous canyon. And they literally walked across the canyon. I'll show you where they walked across up here in a second. Here we go. And here it is. So they started back there. And then they made their way all the way to the other side, and you can barely see that the other tower is right inside those woods. So this rapid, it's a 75-foot long slide, and then it slams into a wall down there. And all the water gets pushed to this side. It creates a big explosion. You can barely see it, but yeah, pretty awesome. All right, JT, we made it out. Was it hard?
Yeah.
Was it as hard as the incline?
No.
Yeah, that was easy then. You ready to go inside the interpretive center? All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. Sorry my camera quit working. We'll see y'all on the next
adventure. Bye. I know that's Marshall's mic.